Good morning, friends. I am Ravish Vyad, table tennis coach and academic in charge of BPED and AMPED course at University of Jammu. Today, we are here together to celebrate the National Sports Day, which is celebrated in the name of late Major Dhyan Chand, who was a hockey wizard and he is legendary in hockey. That's why we celebrate this 29th of August in the name of Shri Dhyan Chand for his excellent achievement in hockey. Friends, as we know that Major Dhyan Chand was a very good hockey player and he won many medals, and moreover he has won 3 gold medals in Olympics, that is in the year 1928, 1932 and 1936. On that national day, the President of India award the major awards like Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award and so many awards on this particular day to congratulate and to encourage the sports persons of the country. On this particular day, we celebrate, we play so many games in the name of the hockey legend, but due to the prevailing situation, as we all know, the COVID-19, we are here to celebrate the National Sports Day like that. Dear student, my message is for you people is to play the games in a full spirit. We all know we must study as well as we must play also for the betterment of our body. As we all know, sound mind is a sound body. If we play, then what will happen? Our systems, the cardiovascular system, the muscular system, the digestive systems, whatever the things in our body, they will function properly if we play, if we run, if we walk, if we exercise daily. So, my message to all the students and all the members of the society to keep going, keep yourself fit by exercising daily, by practicing yoga, by meditation. You can keep your mind and your body fit. I thanks to Principal Shrimati Vimla Pandita, KV Domana and Shri Rajesh Sharma ji, who has given me the opportunity to speak a few words on this great day. And moreover, the role of the parents for the children is considered to be very important, because parents are the one who can encourage their children to play the games and to encourage the children to do the wonders in game. Thanks, and and again my best wishes to all the students and the players for this National Day. Thank you so much.